Stay tuned. Another edition of Benson's Kennel. We're out here in Orville, Alabama for another rabbit hunt. As you just heard, somebody just shot 3 times. Hopefully we're gonna have a good day out here. Stay tuned for another edition of Benson's Kennel. Got an Orville buck rabbit. Oh yeah. My old money busted him.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. On a good cold day out here, rabbit hunt. Yeah. We hit it once again.
First Orville swamp rabbit. Yeah. Huh? Dead rabbit. Dead rabbit. Dead rabbit. Dead. Good job. Good job. Good job. Dead rabbit. Dead rabbit. Dead rabbit. Dead rabbit. Dead rabbit. Good job. Good job. Nice big swamp rabbit. Huge swamp rabbit. No. I just shot at him, let him know I seen him. He going back.
That was me and Tremaine.
Got another swamp rabbit. Tony busting him.
On the dome kennel, baby.
Big swamp rabbit. Yes. The dog was pushing him.
Find that rabbit, y'all. Selma. Find him, y'all.
he come out, shoot over here, man. If he come out this way, you shoot. Yeah. Dead rabbit. Dead. Dead rabbit. Dead rabbit. Rabbit still alive. Just killed this rabbit. While the dogs were moving out, jumped another rabbit. And a little man shot over there.
As long as Lazelle don't get him up above here, he's going on. He's going on. He ain't going on out there. Up another road. No, that's him. See him, Lazelle finna pick him up. Hold on, Lazelle. Come here, man. Hold on, oh, see him.
Yeah. Got him out the swamp.
He jumped up in there.
That how that killed him?
He jumped up and turned around. And then I thought he was going to come that way. He go, oh, Mike, don't shoot.
Oh, I seen that second shot. That third shot would have been me.
Well, you shot twice at him.
Yeah, he shot twice. He was back up in there.
Then he went and called the water on him.
Then he come back and headed that way.
Oh.
And then that's when Tony hollered that. Then he turned around and went back and went that way. But, hey, I couldn't see him.
He was determined not to come back to that spot over there.
Sure was. He was finna wrong. He was finna come back. Mike scared him.
Yeah. Mazelle got him. Tony, the other rabbit's in right in here. Yeah. That's the one. The one Cadillac had sitting right in here. Yeah, come up some, man. It's another rabbit sitting over in here. No, it's right here though. That rabbit stopped right in here.
Can you see good up there?
Yeah.
Can you see out here, Mike? I'm gonna walk right there where you at, man. Kirk on the other side. I see Kirk.
There you come, Tony. There you come. Look to your left.
Hey, Kirk.
Got that rabbit. Trying to sneak out. Nice swamp rabbit. Got him. Dead. Dead. Rabbit still twitching. Yeah, he got him. Oh, you jumped one?
Get to him.
Hold him up, Tony.
Thunderdome, baby. Got a rabbit in the bed. Thunderdome kill him. Dead rabbit. Got him in the bed, sleep.
Tony got him.
All right, Mom. Stop.
I knew I said he got in front of Tony.
You wouldn't see him.
Oh, I wouldn't.
He was look like what he was.
I would have thought that, right?
It take a spearing rabbit hunt to find a rabbit like that, man. Hey. Let him go. Stop, Prince. Stop, Mom. Stop.
Yeah.
Thunderdome kill him, baby. With a taste of Benson. What your daddy said he'd come over.
Any given day, Kennel.
Yeah, he ain't give him a day, baby.
Yeah. Yeah. He was sitting tight in there.
Real tight.
Man, I thought that joke was gonna try to run out of there. Got another one. Caught him in a briar patch.
Thunderdome, baby. Thunderdome and Benson.
Out here with Benson's Kennel, Thunderdome Kennel, Any Given Day Kennel. Had a good day of rabbit hunt. We got, what, 13 rabbits? Dogs got down, just like usual. We do it every day, all day. Did we get down, fellas?
Got down.
All right. I believe Mr. Russell got the most rabbits this time. We hid a couple of rabbits out there for him, let him get some in the bed shots. But I think we had a good day, didn't y'all?
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
What you think about any given day, Kennel? What did y'all do today?
We had a good time. We started early this morning, around about 8 o'clock this morning, and went out here and killed rabbits.
Yeah.
It showed.
He got a show enough dog called Bear, man. I'm trying to talk him out of Bear, but I don't think he gonna let old Bear go right now. Mr. Russell has some of the top dogs you can see in the country as well. What your dogs do, Mr. Russell, today?
Like Thunderdome always do. Bring the thunder.
These guys run some good dogs, some of the best dogs I ever seen in my life. But I don't run with everybody, but I run with these guys. Thunderdome Kennel, Any Given Day, Benson Kennel. We do it every day. Stay tuned, more to come.